One set of test kit consists of test device, disposable collection tube, collection funnel, dropper, buffer solution, and a biohazard bag. Below is the instruction for use. First, keep the collection tube upright and assemble the collection funnel. Next, deliver saliva into the collection funnel. If the saliva is more than 0.5 ml, remove the excess with the dropper. Then, remove the collection funnel. Fill the entire buffer solution into the tube. Close the cap and squeeze for 10 seconds to make sure they are well mixed. Squeeze 2 drops of the specimen to the test device. A single line at the control line indicates the negative result.